Discord.io suffers a data breach that impacted over 760,000 users. Even though cybersecurity has come a long way, this proves data breaches are still possible in this age. Today, we will take a trip down memory lane to revisit some of the most infamous hacks and cybercrimes. This journey will help you rethink your online practices. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the year 1988, when a young Cornell graduate named Robert Tappan Morris inadvertently gave birth to the first computer worm known as the Morris worm. Initially meant to gauge the size of the internet, it unexpectedly spiraled out of control, infecting thousands of computers and causing widespread disruptions. Morris's actions ignited discussions about the thin line between curiosity and cybercrime, eventually leading to his conviction under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Fast forward to the year 2000, a time when digital communication was gaining momentum. The I Love You virus emerged as a wolf in sheep's clothing, masquerading as a love letter and spreading rapidly via email. This malicious code wreaked havoc by infiltrating millions of computers, erasing files, and causing massive financial losses. The incident revealed the power of social engineering and the stark vulnerabilities that lie within human curiosity. In 2007, cybercrime took an audacious turn with the TJX data breach. Hackers exploited weak wireless security to infiltrate TJX companies, compromising credit card data of over 45 million customers. This massive breach demonstrated the alarming potency of cyberattacks in an increasingly interconnected world, leading to heightened cybersecurity awareness and stricter regulations. The year 2010 marked a paradigm shift as Stuxnet emerged, an unprecedented worm that blurred the lines between cybercrime and digital warfare. Crafted with surgical precision, it targeted Iran's nuclear facilities, causing physical damage to centrifuges. The discovery of Stuxnet was a wake-up call, revealing the potential for digital weapons to impact the physical world and raising ethical questions about state-sponsored cyberattacks. In 2013 to 2014, the Yahoo data breach unfolded, and its implications were staggering. Personal data from a whopping 3 billion accounts were compromised, making it one of the largest data breaches in history. The incident highlighted the alarming lack of security measures in handling sensitive information, shaking public trust and sparking conversations about data protection. The 2017 Equifax hack jolted the financial world. Hackers exploited a software vulnerability to breach Equifax's systems, compromising the personal information of 147 million individuals. The incident underscored the need for robust cybersecurity measures within financial institutions and emphasized the dire consequences of lax data protection. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack sent shockwaves across 150 countries. It exploited a vulnerability in outdated software, encrypting data and demanding ransom payments in cryptocurrency. The widespread impact showcased the global reach of modern cybercrime, emphasizing the importance of regular software updates and strong cybersecurity protocols. As we conclude our journey through these dark tales of cybercrime, one thing becomes abundantly clear. The digital realm is both a treasure trove of innovation and a battleground of threats. These stories serve as cautionary tales, reminding us of the urgent need for proactive cybersecurity measures, ethical considerations, and a collective responsibility to safeguard the digital landscape. Here are some ways to safeguard yourself on the internet. The first step in defending yourself online begins with fortifying your digital fortress. Some actions to take in doing this are crafting robust passwords that are complex and don't use guessable information like birthdays and names, enabling two-factor authentication on all accounts whenever possible. Verify the source of emails, especially those requesting personal or financial details, to avoid phishing. Next is safeguarding your personal information, as this is a digital goldmine for cybercriminals. Some of the things to be cautious of are sharing personal information on social media, using public networks for sensitive activities, and browsing or making online transactions on connections which are not encrypted. A major way of protecting yourself is education. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Stay informed about the latest threats and trends by following reliable tech news sources, blogs, and online security forums. The last safeguard we will talk about today is the power of updates. Updates are more than just feature enhancements. They're crucial for security. Cybercriminals often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software. Keep everything up to date, from your operating system to your apps. And there you have it, folks. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.